Iyan mga ka-discovery, promotion ngayon ni Isaiah sa High Yellow Belt. Kaya tara mga ka-discovery, samahan nyo ako, panoorin natin si Isaiah sa kanyang promotion.
Certificate of recognition is presented to Jerick Isaiah in recognition of being promoted as 7th grade yellow belt of the Philippine Taekwondo Association. Ethan Lucas C. Lamosa for being promoted as 7th grade high yellow belt.
Yes, congrats!
Magbigay kayo ng isang certificate na ba kay mami or kay daddy. Kasi lagi silang nakasupport. Okay, you're very lucky. You're very lucky. You know why? Kompleto kayo. May uniform kayo. May armor kayo. Sinasamahan kayo lang.
Iyan mga ka-discovery, dito na natatapos yung promotion ni Isaiah sa kanyang High Yellow Belt. Yan, salamat nga pala sa pagsubaybay at panunood sa promotion ni Isaiah. Yan, hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you for watching.